We are starting exercise 7.2. Question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Means 2 points P and Q. Coordinates of P are -1 and 7 and of Q are 4, -3. Are divided in ratio by the point R, whose coordinates we have considered to be xy, in ratio 2:3. Now we are to find the values of x and y. We will do this by section formula. X is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Then it will be 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by -1 divided by 2 plus 3, means 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by -1 divided by 2 plus 3. Similarly, we will find y in the way m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2, means 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7 divided by 2 plus 3. 2 into -3, 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7 divided by 2 plus 3. Then on solving get y as 3, and on solving here for x we get x is equal to 1. Then the points of R are, then required point is 1, 3. First we write x coordinate, then we write y coordinate, 1, 3. Then the next question is question number 2. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Now trisection means 3 equal parts. Means a line AB is divided into 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3 equal parts by the 2 points P and Q. Means here the ratios in between these 3 points will be 1:1:1. And if I take point P only, that then P is dividing AB in ratio 1:1 plus 1, 2. 1:2. P is dividing AB in 1:2. And Q is dividing AB in ratio 2:1. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. 2:1. Clearly, according to given condition, AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Means these are the 3 equal parts. Then P divides AB in ratio 1:2. AB, and here is P is dividing AB in ratio 1:2. Then the coordinates of P will be x and y. Then x is equal to 1 into -2 plus 2 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2. It becomes equal to 2. Then y is equal to 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1, 1 into -3 plus 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1 divided by 1 plus 2. It is equal to -3 minus 2 divided by 3, means -5/3. Then the coordinates of P are 2 -5/3. Now we are to find the coordinates of Q. Now Q is dividing AB in ratio 2:1. Now we are to find the coordinates of Q, x and y. I have taken here Q, capital X, capital Y. Then capital X will be 2 into -2 plus 1 into 4, 2 into -2 plus 1 into 4 divided by 2 plus 1. On solving we get 0. And y is equal to 2 into -3 plus 1 into minus 1, 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. It becomes equal to minus 7 by 3. Then coordinates of Q are 0 and minus 7 by 3. Now we come to the next question, question number 3. To conduct sports day activities in your school in rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. Lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other. Means there is a rectangular ground in which few flower pots are kept. In this way it is rectangular ground, and here flower pots are kept at 1 meter distance from each other. Along AD as shown in figure, along AD here the flower pots are kept. Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance of AD. Niharika runs 1/4 of this total distance, and its 1/4 part Niharika has run. On second line and posts a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between the flags? Niharika is here on the second line and Preet is here on the 8th line. Niharika is on the second line and Preet is on the 8th line. It has run the 1/4 of the distance and it has run the 1/5 of the distance of AD. What is the distance between both the flags? Now we have to find the distance between the flags. If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? Now there is one more girl who is in between these two girls. Then where will she stand up? This is the question. Now solution. Take A as origin. A is the origin. AB x-axis, AD y-axis. Along x-axis, lines are drawn 1 meter away from each other with the chalk powder. Along y-axis, flower pots are kept 1 meter away from each other. AD is 100 meter, means AD is 100 meter. Niharika travelled 1/4 of the distance AD, then 1/4 of 100, means it is 25 meter, means Niharika has gone for 25 meters. So position of Niharika with green flag will be 225 because it is on the second line, means along x-axis the coordinate is 2 and along y-axis the coordinate is 25. Now Preet travelled 1/5 of AD, means 1/5 of 100, it is 20. Position of red flag with Preet will be 820 because it is on the 8th line. Along x-axis the coordinate will be 8 and along y-axis the coordinate will be 20. Distance between both of the flags. Now one point is Niharika is taken as N, 225. P is the Preet, 820. R is the Rashmi, whose coordinates we have to find out x, y, and it is in between N and P. then it is dividing it in ratio 1:1. Now first we have to find the distance between N and P. Then NP will be 8 minus 2 whole square plus 20 minus 25 whole square and then square root. 8 minus 2 is 6 square plus minus 5 square root. Here we get square root 61 meters. Now position of blue flag post is the midpoint. We have to find xy. It is the midpoint between NP and NP line. Then we will apply the formula to find the midpoint coordinates. And these are x1 plus x2 divided by 2 for x coordinate, and for y coordinate 25 plus 20 divided by 2 means y1 plus y2 divided by 2, xy 2 plus 8 by 2 and 25 20 plus 20 by 2, and these become equal to 5 and 22.5.